Exploring the structure of zero conditional sentences. Hello there! Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we are taking a closer look at the zero conditional. The zero conditional is an interesting and powerful tool in the English language, especially when it comes to talking about general truths or facts. So, let's dive in and learn how to construct and use this fascinating grammatical structure. Zero conditional sentences are used to express facts or general truths. These sentences are structured in a particular way, usually composed of an if clause and a main clause. The interesting thing about zero conditionals is that the order of these clauses doesn't change the meaning of the sentence. That is, if can be followed by the main clause or vice versa without affecting the overall sense. For example, if you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. Water boils if you heat it to 100 degrees Celsius. Both of these sentences mean the same thing and are examples of zero conditional sentences. The zero conditional sentences are composed of two main parts. 1. The if clause or conditional clause. This part of the sentence usually describes a condition or hypothetical situation. 2. The main clause. This part of the sentence expresses what will happen as a result of that condition. The standard structure for the zero conditional is if plus present simple tense plus present simple tense. Or in reverse, present simple tense plus if plus present simple tense. For instance, if it rains, the streets get wet. The streets get wet if it rains. In both clauses, we are using the present simple tense. Remember, this structure is the same, regardless of the order of the clauses. Zero conditional sentences are primarily used to express general truths or things that happen all the time. They can also be used to give instructions, or to talk about the laws of nature. Here are a few more examples. If you mix blue and yellow, you get green. If I eat peanuts, I feel sick. Ice melts if you heat it. As you can see from these examples, zero conditionals help us express fundamental truths and general facts about the world. And that wraps up our discussion on the structure of zero conditional sentences. Remember, they are used to talk about general truths and facts, and they always use the present simple tense in both the if clause and the main clause. Practice using them in your daily English conversations to speak more naturally and accurately. As always, keep practicing, and you'll master the zero conditional in no time. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in our next lesson.